army of mechanics here this cold Sunday morning.
Wait, run where?
Instead of trying to fuck with this junction block.
That's probably going to need a little copper washer.
It's like a bunch of Neanderthals discovering fire for the first time. What is this ferret machine?
That's not nuts for that. They got this can load in.
Watch.
At one time and just
They spin.
the shit out of it. Okay.
I'll find it on there with the.
One on each side.
Beautiful. Yeah, let's go over here.
Yeah, let's.
We're leaning up against this car.
It's not sealed. There's no gasket in it.
There's no
It's
gasket.
just it's not even a ball and cup to seal up. It's just a.
Wouldn't it burn up?
It's a
Probably
Note to self, get another muffler.
Yeah, 150 bucks for a muffler is like
Or
3
some-
times less than a regular muffler, dude.
I may be off on the price, but it wasn't that much. Hey, we're gonna go down to AutoZone and get us a new one of these.
Put a flow paster on there.
That's what I leave. My wife went to AutoZone.
Yeah, the gasket for the muffler, when we did burn it out, it was so hot, it burned in half.
The Russian oil cycle. Yeah, like all the weird, really high-end weird shit that was in the Myers collection.
This whole thing is trying to get the engine out so we can get to the transmission.
We'll go for this stud. Oh, it's a 7/16 hole, 1/2-inch stud.
There was other fucking messages on there from back when me and O'Kelly. That one, this one's wet. And now there's that. Right? Oh, okay. So check this one out. Well, it had first gear for the first like.
See how shiny the inside that is?
Yeah, I know, man.
That's how the whole thing was when I got it.
Just died on us.
What'd you
You
do?
can run it in second gear, but
Took it to war.
some really crappy places.
And so we're trying to figure out how to get the transmission out. We were thinking if we remove the engine, we could pull it right out the back. But now, it looks like we have to pull the transmission out of the top, which is not a problem now that the turret's off.
it's the boxes.
But we don't know for sure. And we try to YouTube it, nobody's got a YouTube video, so if we do pull it out, I'll videotape it and I'll put it on YouTube.
I tried to step here.
Here for the wiring out too, because I'm gonna have to get a pair of channel locks on the generator wiring. Can you get me? We're gonna have to
Oil
put it
cooler.
down so we can get the oil cooler loose.
Taking that floor plate off.
Yeah.
Why would you want to low carb anything? It sounds like a bad deal.
You're gonna have a bad time.
What the hell?
Not needed?
No, sir.
Okay.
We gotta remove that plate,
Yeah, 9/16. 9/16.
the one right there.
Socket.
And to do that, we have to remove the shifter.
You want 1/4 inch?
All this trying to get to the transmission. Parts and pieces.
On either side
For the transmission?
for the transmission, yeah.
Okay, but we.
Yeah, out there at the.
Oh, and of course, as we take it all apart, we keep finding brass. Lots of machine gun brass. Yeah.
Stop.
All right, we're pushing it forward so the axle turns so we can get the bolts underneath.
There's actually some sort of mount underneath, so you got like a creeper or something like that.
Have it with this.
Yeah. It's gonna. If I can get it to rotate, it'll probably come right.
No, you're good.
Woo! Man, I was hungry. I didn't realize how they stood. What the makers they look at. I'm thinking about getting one.
New Bronco?
Here she is.
Fix some ferrets. Making uniforms.
That's the way a vehicle needs to be worked.
What the fuck is this?
Yeah, you're trying to lift the whole Ferret.
He said this is a full-time.
I'm not the mechanic. I'm the gun guy, not the car guy. Yeah.
You are bending those damn freaking what you call it? That's for damn sure.
Are we betting something that we shouldn't be doing?
Screwdrivers are getting
Can we get a block under the transmission?
Probably not yet.
not yet.
Not yet. Lost gasket issue. Coming out.
Yeah. Am I stopping spinning?
Keep going. Just
The fucking instructors, get the fuck out of here. No. They're gonna have a big goddamn huge white man fire out there.
all right. Go on up
You're gonna
with
see
it.
that shit. There's one. This is really fucking real estate people. Yeah, Jay, I'll first the name Dave. Is that the last word?
I'm doing a lot.
That's it. Time out.
That was a little bit.
It's cleared or
No, it's not clear yet. All right, go forward. You're free.
All right, I'm coming out.
You got to jack it up.
All right.
Look at that over there. You got something that's on the what you call it that's in the way.
It's a ground
and you also
strap.
got a ground strap.
I see the ground strap. I don't see the other thing you're talking about.
Oh, the fluid just sits inside the actual. It's not even a torque converter.
Is it splined to the input shaft?
Yep, that's all it is. Just
a
blinded
fluid
input
coupling
check.
is what
Yeah,
it
it's a
is.
fluid coupling. That's all it is. It's just a damper. That's all it is. It's a fluid damper.
It's weird because there's some shit on here that just seems simple as fuck, and there's other things I'm watching.
Before you come up higher, pull back.
Yeah, we're.
You can pull back if you want to.
Okay, got it?
I got it.
All right. Oh, slow.
It doesn't roll very well. So far, we're good.
We're pulling it. We're pulling it.
All right.
We're pulling it. Are we clear?
Hold on.
We're clear now.
We still move.
It's like we knew what we were doing.
And of course, all the brass.
Remembered I had this light.
Sorry, this thing doesn't do easy.
Those things.
What?
He's not clearing the jack.
We need an engine hoist with.
All right. I'm pushing. Wait. Oh, okay. I think we got it. Whoa. Now let's get that fucker out of here.
Turn the engine 90 degrees, so it's just the direction as the dog.
Yeah, but I don't think that's gonna be steady.
Oh, I like that. That's good.
That's better.
Drop
Get
it.
all the slack off the chain.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Yeah, I got
All
the.
right. All right, now we're gonna push it. We're pushing the vehicle out of the garage
Come back. To put this fucking thing back together again, right?
so we can get the transmission out.
Yeah, we're rolling out.
Push and Z.
Look at that.
Push.
I told you they were gonna start spinning.
It's vibrating my butt. Loud as shit. All right, here we go. And it's loud because this thing's rotating.
Hey, Brian, watch that chain. Make sure it don't snap. All right, come on.
Come on up.
Come on.
Slow.
All right, where we at? Keep going up gently. Gotcha.
Yep. Keep going. Just go straight up. Go straight up.
We can move that seat
Hang on.
out.
Out.
A dilemma. The tractor can't raise it high enough. So we're gonna lay it back down again and figure out how we get it out. Part 2 of the dangerous job.
Ratchet, you ready?
There we go.
Pressure on it, watch, let it go. All right.
Watch your fingers, man.
First rodeo.
Don't need no 3-fingered fucking mechanics.
Hang on. Time out.
Wait.
Down just a little bit.
Your mount is not clear.
I know. I just don't know where we need to
How
go.
far back is your mount?
You're at the edge. All right. Yeah, let's go back down.
Down just a touch.
So it's bigger.
Everybody hold. Stop.
It's bigger than the fucking hole.
7/16. I need 2 7/16 for inches.
All right.
Alright, we gotta take some parts off because it's still too big for the hole.
See what I'm saying?
I'm worried about you guys with fingers.
Where's the input?
It's nearing the end of this travel with the partner problem.
Oh, we out.
Back it out.
There we go.
Alright, I got it.
Get clear, get it down.
Alright, break on.
Track hope.